Have you ever looked at your computer and just wondered, where did all my space go? Well, sometimes the sneaky culprit is a forgotten hard drive partition, just sitting there eating up gigabytes. Today, we're going to fix that. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to safely delete that partition and reclaim all that valuable space. Let's dive in.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You open up this PC and see some random drive letter you don't even recognize. Maybe it's from an old OS install or some experiment you forgot about. Whatever it is, that partition is just dead weight. It's time for it to go.
So, what are we trying to accomplish here? It's pretty much a two-part mission. First, we're going to get rid of that unwanted partition. And then, this is the really key part, we're going to merge that newly freed up space back into your main drive so you can actually use it for your stuff.
Okay, to make this super clear, let's look at this example. We've got our main C drive, which is where Windows lives, another one called G, and then this pesky E drive. Our mission, should we choose to accept it, is to completely wipe out that E drive and fold all of its storage right back into C.
Now, you might be thinking you need to download some kind of fancy, complicated software for this. But nope, the best tool for this job is already built right into Windows. It's a really powerful utility called Disk Management, and I'm going to show you exactly where to find it.
And getting there could not be any easier. All you do is go down to your Windows Start button, but instead of a normal left click, you're going to right-click it. This Power User menu pops up, and you just find and select Disk Management from the list. That's it. You're in.
Okay, this window that just opened up, this is basically mission control for all your hard drives. You'll see a list of every single partition on your system. So just take a look and confirm that you see the one you want to get rid of. In our case, yep, there's our C, G, and our target, the E drive. Perfect. All right, we are in the right place, and we've got our target locked. Now it's time for the main event, actually deleting that partition. But hold on, before you click anything, there is a super important warning we have to talk about. Listen up, because this is the most important step in this entire process. When you delete a partition, it is permanent. It will erase every single thing on that drive forever. So if you have any photos, any documents, anything at all you might want to keep, you need to back it up to another drive right now. Seriously, pause if you have to. Okay, you're all backed up? Great. From here on out, it's easy. Find the partition you want to remove, in our case, the E drive, and just right-click on it. From that little menu, choose Delete Volume. Windows is going to double-check, asking if you're absolutely sure. Go ahead and click Yes, and poof, it's gone. But hang on, we're not quite finished yet. The partition is gone, sure, but the space it used to take up is now kind of floating in limbo. We need to tell the computer what to do with that empty space. What we've just created is something called unallocated space. You'll actually see it labeled that way in the Disk Management tool. The best way to think of it is like an empty plot of land. The land is there, it exists, but until you officially add it to your property, you can't build anything on it. Our next job is to give that empty space a home. So what you need to do is add this space back to the drive it was originally taken from. Usually that's your main C drive. But what if you have a bunch of drives? How can you be 100% sure which one is the right one to merge it with? Well, here is a fantastic little trick that's built right into Windows. If you're not sure which drive is the parent drive, just go ahead and right-click on each of them one by one. Only the correct one will have the Extend Volume option available to click. On all the others, it'll be grayed out and you can't select it. It's a totally foolproof way to know you're doing the right thing. So once you've found the correct drive, our C drive, just right-click it and select Extend Volume. This kicks off a really simple little wizard. Honestly, all you have to do is click Next a couple of times. It automatically grabs all the available unallocated space for you. Then you just click Finish, and you're done. And just like that, the whole process is complete. Your main drive has literally absorbed that empty space and is now that much bigger. Let's do a quick confirmation that it worked and go over the most important things to remember. And hey, the proof is in the pudding. Look at this before and after. Before, we had C, G, and that useless E drive cluttering things up. And now, after, the E drive is completely gone and all of its storage is tucked neatly back into the C drive. So much better. So let's just quickly recap the big takeaways here. 1. Deleting a drive doesn't give you the space back right away. It creates what's called unallocated space. 2. You have to use that Extend Volume feature on the correct drive to make the space usable again. And 3, and I can't say this enough, always back up your data before you start any of this. And there you go, a cleaner, more efficient hard drive with a whole lot more room to breathe.
It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? Now that you've got your partitions all sorted out, what's the next step you could take to optimize your computer?